My goodness, another SVR. What the heck? Jesus. God damn. My God, what the heck?
Until 2:30 p.m.
Jesus Lord.
1:38 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Brewster, moving southeast at 40
They might issue a SMW now. Next.
60 miles per hour with gusts and
I think they're gonna issue a SMW because it's going over there. That's why. So I don't know if they're gonna issue a SMW.
Expect wind damage to trees.
Holy, this is crazy.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Danbury and Ridgefield around 1:45 p.m. Newtown around 1:50 p.m. Monroe and Weston around 1:55 p.m. Fairfield and Trumbull around 2 p.m. Bridgeport around 2:05 p.m. Stratford around 2:10 p.m.
Jesus Lord.
Milford around 2:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Already.
61. The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles.
Jesus Lord, god damn.
Severe thunderstorm.
This is crazy.